Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. First of all, I would like to ask one question. Let me know, how long have you been learning English? Please let me know. It has been 1 month, 2 month, and 1 year. Please let me know. Actually, all the learners are facing this problem. I have been learning for long time. Despite of this, I can't speak English. Why? Even I am facing this problem. So that's why I am selected this video for you. Actually, when we start speaking English, so that times I learn grammar portion. That's it. So that time I couldn't speak English very well. I had passion, before getting married, but that time I had no mobile phone. But that time I couldn't speak English well. That time I learned everything related to speaking English. But that time I couldn't speak English. I think this is a not big issue. Okay, you have to practice. That's it. Without practice, you can't speak English. You think something like this after having the practice, after learning the grammar portion, after learning the vocabulary. We can't speak English. Why? It's not like that. You can't speak English. You can speak English very bad, provided you have the practice a lot. Without practice, you can't imagination, you can't speak English well. Okay, actually all the learners are facing, I am not perfect, I am not improving. Why? You are improving. Okay, you are improving. As a matter of fact, you are improving, but you couldn't understand very well because you are improving. All the time you learned every grammar portion. That's it. But you can't learn spoken. You can't speak in English. When you have the practice, definitely you will be speak. For this, you have to speak. Please at least open your mouth. If you want to be perfect in English, please open your mouth, and you have the practice allowed. Without practice, you can't imaginations. Okay, and another thing, because of which we can't speak English, and that is okay, and that is agitation and lack confidence. Actually, when we start speaking English, I have lots of knowledge, I have lots of things about speaking English. But when it comes to speak English, so that time I couldn't speak English. Why? Because of which you have agitation, you have lack confidence. So that's why you can't speak English. Please avoid all things, only try to speak English. Your passion, your courage, your hunger is only improving your communication skill. Okay, so why are you wasting the time learning the grammar portion, learning the vocabulary, learning the phrases? Please speak up, open your mouth, and have the practice. Definitely, you will be improved, because I am facing this problem. Because when we started speaking English, so that times I learned all the time grammar, vocabulary, and phrases. But despite of this, I couldn't speak English well. But this time, I am making the video in front of you, and I feel something like this, I am being the perfect day by day. Okay, actually my aim is only making the video, is improving my communication skill. That's it. I am not increasing my view. My aim is only is improving my communication skill, because I want to be perfect. If you don't have any partner, it doesn't matter. Only practice, okay? Only speak with yourself. If you don't have any partner, it's okay, don't worry. Without no having the partner, you can speak English very well. You have mobile phone, okay? You put the mobile phone in front of you, and then you start speaking in English. You can record, and after that you can check your mistake, and after that you can find the mistake and correct it. And after that, when you start, when you start making the video, so that time you think something like this: I will not make the mistake, I will be perfect in English. So definitely you will be improved. Why are you thinking something like this: I don't have any partner? You have a good mobile phone, you can use. Definitely you will be improved, because I am using, I don't have any partner, any environment, because when we start speaking English, so that time I asked every person, could you help me for improving my communication skill? But nobody help me. It's okay, it doesn't matter if nobody help you, because I want to be perfect. This is a my aim, my journey. I have to handle myself. So why are you thinking something like this? And another thing I use when we start speaking English, because of which we can't speak English very well, and that is only uh, only afraid of making the mistake, because this time I am making the mistake and people are laughing at me, so I can't speak English. I can't speak English because people are making the mock on me. I am not correct, my English is not better than other. How could we speak? I am not perfect, I am learning English, I am not improving all the times. I have the practice, despite of this I am not improving. By I want to be improved. So you should have the practice, you should have to the hard work a lot. So that's why you will be fluent in English all the time. When you walk, so that time you can start speak English. When you sit, so that time you can speak English with yourself. All the time you can create environment in English. Actually you have capacity, you can create environment. So why are you thinking something like this: I don't have any partner? Without no having the partner, I can't speak English. This is a your excuse who are making continuously. Please stop it and only try to speak English. Follow some approach who told you. So please improve your communication skills. So in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. I will meet next my video. So till then, bye bye.